How to use Scandisk to fix errors on your hard drive. Open the File Explorer. Click this PC. Right-click the drive that you want to run Scandisk on. Click Properties. Click the Tools tab. Click the Check button. Click Scan Drive. Scan is running on your hard drive. स्कैन डिस्क को डिस्क एनालिसिस और एरर रिपेयर टूल के तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Your hard drive was successful scan, no error found. I hope that this information is helpful for you to use Scandisk to fix error on your hard drive. Thanks for watching.